Hello.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everybody.
Yes, good morning, sir. Good morning.
Let's start, ma'am.
Okay.
Participants are late, then also we have to start.
Hello. Sir, shall we start? Or we have to wait?
Yeah, let us start, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so students, so today we are starting with our new sessions after Diwali vacation. I hope that you all had enjoyed your Diwali vacations very well. And now you all are ready to learn, right? So today is our topic. We are starting with science. Our chapter's name is motion and types of motion. Okay, and this is your BNC online education channel, and on that we are doing science for standard 6. Okay, and our topic is motion and types of motion. I hope that you all had completed your prayer session. Prayer is already done in the morning, I wish. So we will not waste our time and we will start with our topic. Okay. So first of all, can any one of you tell me that what do you mean by motion? Yes. Can anyone tell me that what do you mean by motion? Hello. Can you hear me? Yes. All can hear me?
Teacher,
So
please repeat the question.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So can anyone tell me that what is motion? No?
The moving of the earth is called motion.
Okay. Motion is any type of movement, right? Any movement which are taking place that we can say that it is in motion. Suppose I have this. Okay. And if it is moving from one place to another place, right? Anything that is moving, that we can say that it is in motion. Or if I'm taking this, I have this, and if this is moving like this, it is also one type of motion. Okay, and we can see many type of motions in our surrounding, right? If I am waving my hand, so this is also one type of motion, right? If I'm doing like this is also motion. Okay. So anything that any object that is in movement, any type of movement, so that is known as motion. Okay. So let us see. We will see one PowerPoint presentation. In that, I will explain you very clearly that what is motion. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is your name of chapter, motion and types of motion. Okay. And what all topics we are going to learn in this chapter is moving objects. Yes, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen now? Yes, all students can see the screen. Hello,
Yes,
am I
ma'am.
audible? Okay. So in this, we will first of all, we will see that what is motion. Then we will see what are the moving objects. Then what are the different types of motions. Okay. There are many types of motion. So in that first one is linear motion. Okay. And in that linear motion, again, we can see there are different types, that is uniform linear motion, non-uniform linear motion. Okay. Non-linear motion. Okay. Now, uniform and non-uniform is the linear motion. Now, in non-linear motion, we can see 4 different types. That is oscillatory motion, circular motion, sorry, periodic motion, and random motion. Okay. And after that, we are going to see some of the points which are related to motion, that are the distance and speed. And we will see some of the problems related, problem questions related to speed and distance. Okay, so let us start with our topic, that is in motion and types of motion. Now in our daily life, we can see many objects which are moving, right? So can you give me some of the examples which are moving? What are the examples for the objects which are in motion?
Teacher, in the solar system, there are planets in moving.
Very good, excellent, beta. So in solar system, we know that all the planets revolves around the sun. So if the planets are revolving, so that is also one type of motion. Very good. Any other can give me answer? Anyone else? Yes. Okay. So in this, what happens? The object which is in motion, it will changes its position from one place to another. Okay. So it is known as that. So we can say that the object is in the movement, right? And any object which is in movement, that we can say that it is in motion. Okay. Now in this picture, you can see that, see, can you give me the names of these objects? Yes, what can you see in this screen?
Teacher,
What all objects are shown?
there is
Tree.
a lion, one tree,
Lion,
aeroplane,
There, then
tree, aeroplane, butterfly.
very good. And
windmill also there.
yes, windmill is there. Yes,
Trees are there.
trees
Lion.
and lion.
One
Okay.
butterfly,
Now,
one
can
aeroplane.
you tell me that which one of these things are, maybe they are in motion? We cannot see in this picture, we cannot see that they are in motion, but we can imagine that if the plane is in the air, so definitely it is in the motion, right? It is moving from one place to another, right? So it is in motion. Which other thing which you can see that it is in motion? Windmill also, yes, windmill also in motion.
Aeroplane.
Yes,
Aeroplane.
aeroplane is also in motion. Butterfly, we can see that it is also in picture. We cannot see that it is in motion, but they are. If butterfly is going from one tree to
Aeroplane,
another tree, so
butterfly,
definitely it
lion.
goes by movement, right? So it is in motion. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And now here, lion. If animals are moving here and there, so they are in movement. Okay, they are also in motion. Okay, so we see that the flying plane, blades of windmill, and butterfly are in motion. We can see that they are in motion, but the lion, now it is related to one video. Okay, so so in that, if the lion is sitting at one position, so it is at the rest. So anything which is shifting from one place to another, so it can be said that it is stationary. Okay, but if it is moving from one place to another, we can say that it is in movement. Okay, so the thing which is on rest, they are known as stationary. They are stationary objects. Okay. If we are not moving from one place to another, so we are stationary. We are at one still position, right? But if we are moving, so we are in motion. Okay. So do you understand what is exactly mean by motion? Yes. Yes. Do you understood what is motion?
Yes,
Okay.
Miss.
Yes. Now we will see the different types of motion. Now in this picture, what can you see? Can you see the things are moving? Yes, the things are.
Yes.
See, these are the pictures. So in this picture, we can say that yes, one boy is riding on a scooter, or we can say three-wheeler. It is one type of scooty that you had. You might be playing with it, right? Then one boy is moving one wheel with the help of that stick, right? And also one ball, we can see it is also in the motion. So can you tell me that is the all type of motion is same or they are different? Are they all same or there is some difference in that? Yes. Let us see
Teacher,
some more pictures.
because they are all are moving, that's why
Yes,
there is.
they are shifting their positions, right? They are shifting their positions. Now in this picture also you can see what all objects which you can see that they are in movement.
The train is moving.
Yes, train is also moving, then one car is also moving, right?
Yes.
Yes, and sometimes we can see that clouds are also moving. Now in this, yes, what are these? What is the
Solar
picture of this?
Solar system.
Earth
It is
and the sun.
it is our solar
Earth is
system,
moving.
but it is not solar system. Exactly, we can say that. What is
Solar
that blue
system.
color? Blue color is the
Earth.
planet. That
Earth.
planet is which planet it may be?
Earth.
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 Yes, definitely. It is Earth. And Earth is moving around the what?
The sun.
Sun. Yes, exactly. So here we can see that Earth is moving around the sun. So Earth is also in motion, right? And if you know that Earth is revolving around the sun and also it revolves around its own axis, right? It revolves around its axis. Now here we can see that one girl is in movement, right?
Gliding.
Yes, she was on a slide, right? And she is also in movement. So can you tell me that have you experienced this type of motions? Yes, any one of you had experienced this? Yes, I know that all of you had experienced this type of motion. So, what you feel during this, when you are sliding from a slide? Yes, have you anything experienced during this type of motion?
I am
When
feeling
you are, yes,
with
but
fear
yes.
that if my hand will be not there, then I will throw. I will fall
Yes.
there. I will
Okay.
fall there, and I will got hurt.
Okay, okay, beta. And one more thing we experience that when we are to the upper side, we come slowly, right? And when we are coming down, we can see, we experience that our speed is increasing, right? While coming down, our speed is increasing. Why? It is because of slow and also because of gravitational force. Now here, if suppose this ball is not moving, it is not in movement. Okay, so we can say that this ball is stationary. Okay, because why it is not moving? If the ball is not moving, we can say that it is stationary. So if I want to move this ball, what should I do?
Kick him.
Yes, if I want to move this ball, what should I do? I can move it with my hand, or I can kick the ball, right? I can kick the ball, right? And when I
Yes.
kick the ball, what will happen? The ball
Ball is
will
moving.
move from one place to another, right? The
Another.
ball will move from one place to another. So it will go in zigzag manner, or it will go by jumping and jumping, or it will go in straight line. Yes.
It will go in jumping.
When I am, yes, if I will give just a very mild kick, so it will move in straight line. And if I will kick it very harshly, then what will happen? It will jump and jump and jump, right? So here the movement, if I will give the very mild kick, then what will happen? It will move in a straight line. Okay, it will move in the straight line. Okay. So here we can see that when something moves, we can say that the object is in movement. And it comes in movement because of some of the force. Without force, it will not move. We have to apply force to it, or we can use our energy to move for the movement. Okay, some type of energy is needed to move the object. It may be your muscular energy, it may be a mechanical force, it may be a gravitational force. Any type of force is needed for the motion, or it may be some fuel. Okay, so there are many kinds of motions. Let us see what are the different types of motion. So there are two main types of motion, that is linear motion and a non-linear. Linear means in a line. Okay, if one thing is moving in one single line, it is moving in straight line, so it is known as linear motion. And if it is not in straight line, it is moving here and there, it may be in circle, it may be here and there, or zigzag. So that all type of motions are known as non-linear motions. Okay, now here we can see that one man is pushing the box in one direction. So here the movement will take place in one direction only. Okay, so it is known as this type of motion. It is moving in straight line. So it is known as linear motion. Okay, now here the two other examples also are shown, that the boy is riding on a scooter. He is also in linear motion. Train is moving on a track, that is also in a linear motion. Okay. So in all these examples of motion, the one thing is very common. So what is common? That all the objects are moving in a straight line. Okay. So if the object is moving in a straight line, so we can say that it is in a linear motion, right? Okay. Now, so is it clear to you that what is linear motion? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will see that what is now again the linear motion is of two different types. One is uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. Uniform and non-uniform. Uniform is something that is moving in exact timing. It is related to timing. Okay. And if there is a fixed timing in between two distance traveled by any object, so it is uniform. And if the time that is, it varies, if the time varies from in between two different points or two distance, then it will be non-uniform. Now, let us see some examples. Now, have you seen this type of parade in 26th January and 15th August? We can see on the television we must have seen this type of parades, right? So in parades, what happened? They all move in a very regular way. So their timing is very perfect. You can see that each and every person will move on exact timing and exact line. Okay, so they move in very straight line and the timing is also perfect. Okay, so this type of motion is known as uniform linear motion, because the distance traveled by them is perfect. It is fixed, right? So if we will see any 30 second in two different times. So if in 30 seconds, if they are moving 15 meter, so exactly if we match the other 15-second movement, we can see that they exactly move the 15 meter only. So it depends on, they move very uniformly. Okay, so this type of movement is known as uniform linear motion. Now here we can see that that is non-uniform linear motion. So why this is non-uniform? This boy can change his speed, right? Sometimes he move slowly, sometimes he move very fast. Okay, so it is non-uniform linear motion. And this girl who is riding on a slide, her speed will also changes. When she was to the upper point, her speed is, it may be slow. Then when it comes near the ground, her speed will goes on increasing. Slowly her speed will increase. So here the speed is different to the different points. Okay, so this type of motion is also known as non-uniform. This type of motion is known as non-uniform linear motion, because here the timing doesn't matter. It may take more time, it may take some less time. Okay. Now, again, we can see here. Can you tell me that are they moving in straight line? See here, one object is given. Okay, it is tied. Let me show you. Okay, see, now here I have this pendulum. Okay, what is this? Can you see this? I had tied this on one thread. Okay, and if I am moving this from here to here, now what is happening? Here, this object is moving from one place to another, then it comes back to the same position. Okay, so this type of motion, is it a linear motion? Can we tell that, can we say that it is a linear motion? Can we say it is a linear motion? Linear motion is the motion which takes place in a straight line, right? Now here, what is this? You can see that, yes, यहाँ पे आपको these numbers you can see they are there is your sides are changed, but we can see if in this clock, these hands of this clock are moving. Okay, so is it a linear motion? Can you tell that can you say that it is a linear motion? No, it is not linear motion. Okay, there is different in this. Okay, now here also we can see this type of motion. Okay, have you experienced this? What is it? It is a small model of this your seesaw, right? That you have played. You must have played in garden, right? Okay, so is it a linear motion? Can you say that it is a linear motion? No, it is not linear motion. Okay, so what are all other types of motion that we will see now? Okay, now see here. Now here, all these objects are moving in different types of, there are motions are very different from linear motion. Okay, they are not linear in motion. Okay, so what is the difference in that? If motion of an object does not move in straight line, if it is not moving in straight line, so they are known as non-linear motion. Okay, now see. So what are the different types of non-linear motion? They are oscillatory motion, circular motion, periodic motion, and random motion. Okay, these are the four types of non-linear motion. Now we will see one by one. Now here we can see this is a swing. Yes, you must have ride on it, right? All of you had ride on this swing?
Yes.
Yes. So what happens in this? The swing will goes to one side, then it will go back then it will come again to the same position. Okay, so it goes ahead a bit, then stops and comes back and goes ahead again and comes back. Okay, so this type of motion, again we can see the same type of motion. Can you see the pendulum, that is blue colored pendulum you can see below the watch, below the clock, right? So it is also, I just now you show, I showed you the pendulum. So it moves from right to left, left to right, right to left, left to right, right? So this type of motion, in this we can see that the object will come to the very extreme position one side, then it will goes to the other side, then again it goes to the extreme, and then it comes back in the middle. So it will go from O to A. Now you can see this. In this I can explain you. See, first it will start from O, it will go to A, or it will go to B. First we will say that it will go to B, then it again comes to O, then it will go to A, then again it will come to O. Okay, so this type of motion is known as oscillatory motion. This type of motion is a oscillatory motion. The motion of a body that is oscillating, that is, it is swinging back and forth, it is called as oscillatory motion. Okay, why it is moving in a back and forth pattern? Okay, so it is known as oscillatory motion. So in the oscillatory motion, the object goes from one extreme position to the next, and the object moves back and forth over its own path. It will not change its path. It will move on a same path again and again. Okay, and it does not go just going round. It will not go round. Okay, this back and forth repetitive motion is known as oscillatory motion. Now here we can see that planets are moving. Yes, sir, I want to ask, is there any, we have time still? Okay, 10 minutes are there. Okay. Sir, we have time? Hello?
Yes, 5 minutes more.
5 minutes. Okay, we will complete this. Then we will continue with next topic tomorrow. Okay. So here we can see that planets are moving in one pattern, right? Yes. Then in clock also we can see that the hands of clock, they are moving in some type of, moving in some manner. Okay. So movement of planets and hands of clock and fan. Yes, in these three example, we can see that the pattern of moving is same. Okay, they are moving in circular pattern. They are moving in circular pattern. Okay, in this also we can say this is a merry-go-round. Okay, horizontal merry-go-round. It is also moving in a circular pattern. Now here we can see vertical merry-go-round. The first one is vertical merry-go-round and second one is horizontal merry-go-round. So in this both examples, we can see that the objects are moving in a circular pattern. Okay, and this type of motion is known as a circular motion. Now the motion of an object along a circular path, it is known as circular motion. Okay, so yes, again here we can see circular motion. In circular motion, we can see here Earth is moving around the sun. Okay, after here Earth is, if we can say that if Earth is starting from this point A, okay, and when it moves, it continuously moves around the sun, and after exactly 1 year, it will come to the same position. Okay, and it is known as circular. It is moving in the circular pattern. Okay, and so it is known as circular motion. Again, here we can see in watch, if the long hand is at 12, after exactly 1 hour, it will move from 12 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and again it will come to 12, right? So it is also moving in circular pattern. So this type of motion is known as circular pattern. Okay, so there are many different types of patterns that we will continue tomorrow. Okay, so today we had completed with the linear motion. Can anyone tell me which two types of linear motions we had seen? Yes. Can you tell me which two types of linear motions we had completed just now? Yes, two types. So we had seen that. What do you mean by motion? So if the object is moving from one place to another place, it is known as motion because its position is moving, its position is changing. So we can say that the object is in movement. Secondly, we had seen that motions are of two different types, that is linear and non-linear motion. Linear motion and non-linear. So in linear also we had seen there are two types of linear motion, that is uniform and non-uniform linear motion. Correct? Uniform linear motion and non-linear non-linear uniform. Okay, then next we had seen
the circular motion.
Secondly is non-linear motion. Okay, so in non-linear motion, we know that there are four types of non-linear motion. That is circular, then oscillatory, then random, and periodic. So in that also we had seen two types. First one we had seen oscillatory motion. Okay, and second we had seen the circular motion. Okay, and after this we will continue with the next type of non-linear motions tomorrow. Okay, so mean that till that what you have to do? You have to revise the topics which we had covered today. You take your textbook, okay, open your textbook. In that you see your chapter, that is motion and types of motion. You open it, then see all the pictures very carefully, okay, because observation is very much important. You can try different types of motion which are continuously going on surrounding to you. Okay, in your surrounding you will see that all the objects are moving here and there. So you can find out that which type of motion is there. You have to classify. You can write down in your notebook that this, yes, I had seen this object, it is moving and it is in such type of motion, so that you can do at your home. Okay, so you open your textbook, see different pictures which are given in that, and read the content which is given in your textbook. Okay, so read your lesson. We had completed till this circular motion. So read that part of your lesson and try to see that what all different types of motions are taking place around you, and you can write down in your notebook and classify them according to your knowledge. Okay, so for today that's all for today, and we will continue with the lesson tomorrow. Okay, so bye all of you. Thank you.
Bye, Miss.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day to you all also. Okay, bye.
Bye.